Good afternoon everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the topic managing the global systems. What is it? And these are the outlines of this particular session. These are the outlines which we are going to discuss in this particular section. So the growth of international information system and information system architecture also going to be discussed. Managing the global systems. This is a part of the information system that involves to deal with the information system and technologies on the global scale. So it includes the address of challenges associated with the diverse cultures, regulatory environments and time zones and technologies of the architectures. Here are the key considerations for the effective managing global systems in the MIS. So global IT infrastructure, what is it? It is going to design and implement a scalable and adaptable IT infrastructure that can support the needs and uses of the stakeholders across the different regions. And after that, the cultural sensitivity and deliverability. It recognizes and accommodates the cultural differences in the design and implementation of the global systems, and this includes the user interfaces and communication styles and the local languages supports also. Legal and regulatory compliances. So this states information about the compile with the diverse legal and regulatory requirements across the different countries and the regions. This includes the data protection laws and privacy regulations and other industry specific compliance standards. Standardization and localization. So find the right between that standardization and localization. While standardization system promotes consistency and efficiency, local adaptations may also be necessary to address the specific regional requirements. So global collaboration tools. So this involves the implementation of collaborative tools that facilitate the communication and cooperation among the team working in different locations and time zones. So video conferences, instant messages and project management platforms can enhance the global collaboration. Interoperability. So this ensures that global systems are interoperable with local technologies and legacy systems. This promotes a seamless integration and data exchange across the different parts of the organization. So what is data security and privacy? This is going to implement the robust data security measures to protect the sensitive information and consider the very level of the data protection standards in different regions. Clearly communicate the data privacies to the user. What is global IT governance? It is a comprehensive IT governance framework that takes into account the global nature of the organization. It involves decision-making process and accountability structures and also the communication channels. What is vendor management? Vendor management is used to manage the relationship between or with the technology vendors that provides the services globally. Managing the global systems in the MIS is a complex task that involves a number of challenges. One is the cultural differences and the regulatory compliances also there, technical challenges also there, and the language barriers also there. Time zone differences also there, and developing a global IS strategies and centralized governance is needed. Invest in the technology and managing the change in the efficiency. So communicate effectively, that will also use to remove these barriers. Use cloud computing. So implement the global data management strategies and standardizing process and procedures. I use the translation and localization tools and provide training to the user. These are the solutions to the problems which are occurred in the project. So the growth of international information system is a global economic system and the global world orders driven by the advanced technology, and the growth of international trade. For example, the production of many high-end electronic products, like Apple iPhone, like that. So this is the area, it is coming from US, after that it is going to Germany, Italy, France, like that, South Korea, like that. It is going in different places. So strategies when building the international systems, we have to follow, we have to understand the global environment. After that, we have to business the driven for the global competition, and we have to create management challenges, and we have to develop the cooperation strategies, and we have to develop the global structure of division of labor and also management issues, and we also have to consider the technological platform. So international platform architecture is like this. Initially it is coming to the technology platform, after that information and business process and organization structure and corporate global strategies are followed, and finally it is going to global environment. What is the difference between global business drivers? Global culture can lead global cultural factors leads to towards the internalization. As a result, it specifies the business globalizically factors. So global culture factors and specific business factors. Global communication and transport techniques and global markets are used. So development of global culture, here global production and operation, and global knowledge and base, it is in here now economics of scale it will be used. Thank you.